Hi, Sar. Happy birthday, Sar. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa special day mo. Ayan. At saka, laging malusog. Ayan. Laging malusog sa pang-araw-araw. Oh, wala na ko ibang sasabihin kundi happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. Ayan. Bye-bye, Sar. Enjoy lang.
Hello po! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Manang Saring. More birthdays to come. Good health. Alagaan po ang sarili para hindi magkasakit. At more power in our YT world. Minsan pa happy birthday. God bless. Bye-bye.
May babatiin na ako ng 50th birthday today ni Sarah Lamani sa Manang Saring TV channel. Sana magustuhan ko itong kantang ito. Mahalap mo kaya magyabak pa sa kanta ko. Happy 50th birthday celebration of Manang Saring. Sana magustuhan mo yung aking kanta. Pasensya na ha. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello Malansaring, as your kababayan and your friend here in White World. I will greet you happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Long life, long lives, and enjoy your day, your natal day, and stay as sweet as you are. Stay as called by that. Stay as down to earth. Kasi yan ang nag-ibig sa'yo. Basta, kung wala mag-movie, masayahin ako. Kaya maraming fans. At ito, si Majoy TV, galing pa sa work. Nakalimutan ko. Salam. Ayan, guys. And, nandito ako sa Planet Sakura ngayon. But look at our Sakura kasi nagusta ko. Kailan ako. At ayan na siya ngayon. So, may gawin lang siya. Happy birthday to you, Madam. More cakes, more sweets to eat, more ulam to eat. But mas bawasan ang mga taba-taba dyan. Mas dugay lang para healthy man tayo. And sometimes, stretching. This is Majoy's TV, your kababayan, your friend in Montreal. Wish you a long life. Yan. Support po. Malansaring TV and Majoy's TV. Love you all. To all the viewers. Regards. Majoy's TV. So, hindi ko nakabaan na lang ha. Bye-bye. Love you. Again, happy birthday to you.
Hello, hi Malansaring TV. Just wanna greet you happy birthday. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and thank you for being my friend in the wide world. I really appreciate all your time and support to my life, all my videos. You're always there to connect, and also thank you for being a nice friend. Thank you so much. Happy birthday and all the best. Take care, and what else I can say? So, ayan, enjoy the views here. It's a nice day, so I came out here to just take birthday greetings for you. Okay, take care, and more subscribers and more power to your channel. Happy birthday. God bless.
Your body might check 1, 2, cause it ain't the party till my crew run through. Shake somebody, show me what you can do, like oh, oh, oh. Rock your